Today, we're headed to the beach. We're bringing our wool, embellishment fibers, and a big splash of creativity. Get ready for inspiring beach and summer theme felted projects made by our talented friends. Plus special deals for your next beachy creation. Stick around and join us to card up some art bats on the drum carter and see who won our Art Batt Inspo contest.
Hi, I'm Melissa.
I'm Julia.
I'm Marie.
I'm Amelia.
I'm Emily.
Happy Woolly Wednesday! Hey, happy Wednesday, everyone, and thank you so much for being with us here today on our little beachy celebration day.
If you're joining us live, please comment in the live chat. And if you're watching the recording, please comment down below because we always love to look at your comments and give you presents.
Mm-hmm. And we're going to pick a winner today from our comments. We're always drawing from there. Our video from a couple weeks ago, we talked about pre-felt and how to use it. Mm-hmm. So this comment's from Kathleen Dodge DeHaven.
Woo!
Congratulations. She says, I looked in my closet the other day and realized I have a lot of pre-felt. Oh my goodness, I better get busy.
Nice. That's never a bad thing.
Right.
And then also with us today is our fairy funniest friend, Fairy Kayla and
Well, hey there, everybody. Happy Woolly Wednesday and a happy summer. Woo, it's finally here. Thanks so much for being here, y'all. I hope you're ready for a little bit of funniness because I got one lined up for you. So, why don't seashells take baths?
Why don't seashells take baths?
Because they always wash up on shore. Thanks so much, everyone. Have fun today, and I'll catch you next week.
Good job, Kayla.
Thank you, Kayla.
Kayla's always keeping it fun and lighthearted, and we just always have such a great time with her. So let's keep it going with our So Inspired.
Woo!
This week's So Inspired is felted beachy things and summer themes. How sweet are these guys?
So cute. I love the gnome with his little collection of goodies.
That's so cute. And I love the little sandpiper. It's such a great take on our kid as well. I love how he's perched on the wood.
I love his legs. I'm really drawn to his legs.
He's so cute.
He looks perfect.
Oh my goodness. The little bear, he's so ready to go snorkeling and swimming.
I want that outfit. I totally do.
The way she did the tube is so cute too, or so good.
Yeah.
I love it's perfectly round.
Those pieces look so nice next to each other, honestly, too.
Yeah. Oh, these are fun. Now, y'all don't know Peta Corbett. She's in Australia, and she's been here a few times for a few classes, including our grand opening when we moved here. So that felt right there is going to be like a complex resist, you know, with her nano-felting underneath.
Yeah, and is that silk making the shell as well?
Mm-hmm.
That's gorgeous.
Yeah, it's going to be a thicker.
So cool.
Yeah, so cool.
And I love the little turtle, of course.
Yeah.
And that beach is out of a movie. Like, it reminds me of Jaws.
All right.
Yeah, it's so pretty and looks really well felted.
Definitely from Laura's
Laura
class.
Ricks, yeah.
Great job. Great job, Danielle.
So cute. Wow, that portrait or landscape is just breathtaking.
Yeah. It looks like a painting. It's gorgeous.
Like a postcard, place I want to go to.
Exactly. Wouldn't you like to stay there?
Yes.
Look how that little mouse is holding his ball.
I know. Isn't him? How cute.
He's ready for a day at the beach.
Yeah.
Him and the bear can go together.
Yeah.
I love his ears. His ears are so fun too.
Adorable.
Oh, they're like clay.
Yeah.
So cute.
Ooh.
So fun. All right, so these are from 2 felting tutorials classes, right?
Yep. Natasha's, the
Yep.
bowler and the ball, and then the woodsy vessel.
Right, the beach, but a beach theme, which I've seen some really great ocean-y, beachy ones over time. Both so fun.
Yeah, such a fun take and the perfect way to have a spin on that woodsy vessel. I think the
agree.
beach theme works
Yeah.
perfectly.
It does.
Really beautiful.
It's also a good way to show, like, every beach is different for us. Like,
Right, right.
We all have different colors.
For
and-
sure.
Yeah.
Mm-hmm.
I really like that.
Wow.
Oh my goodness.
Sandy, the water and the colors, they're so cool.
Yeah.
Yeah, it reminds me of a lagoon. Like,
Yeah.
It kind of it takes me somewhere special.
Very
Yeah.
rich.
And you gotta love the blue-footed
Oh
boop.
my god.
I was going to say, I was like, is it called a blue-footed booby?
Yeah.
Because I feel like I had a t-shirt that had, they're so cute.
I've always wanted to make one, but now I see him, I like, okay, vicariously through you, Loki.
The pose.
Personality.
Like, look at my foot.
Exactly.
A
Yeah, so this Konami, this would have been, I don't know how many years ago, y'all, like more than 6, 7 years ago, we did this in a resist, and it was live on Facebook. It was nuts, and a lot of people did it. It's just so fun to see the take.
I did a great job.
It's like a perfect octopus.
Yeah, so good.
Wow.
And that's such a fun project. We're so grateful to Helen for sharing that with us.
Yes.
Fantastic. These are really fun, y'all, and would jazz up any beach environment.
Oh my gosh, I loved all of those.
Oh.
I think Jocko's was my favorite. What
Yeah,
about you?
that
The
one was
landscape?
really
right,
good.
right.
I'm like, I'm gonna take a vacation there.
I was gonna say all these
Yeah.
make me feel like I want to go on vacation
I'm ready.
for sure.
Okay.
But like on vacation, I'm gonna be the little bear guy. I need my inner tube. Like
I know. I'll be the blue-footed booby then.
All right.
He's just having like the best time. So cute.
I'll be the vessel. I'll be the seashell vessel that collects all the lovely sea
You'll
stuff.
be our tote bag.
That's
For all our
right.
things.
so nice.
I'll be the little mouse.
Yeah.
The beach ball.
We're on our way.
That was awesome.
Well, I feel so inspired about all this beachy stuff now, and maybe it's a great time for you guys to show us some fun things we can use
Yep.
for our art.
This is our needle felting sandpiper kit. These little guys are so adorable and would make a great gift or a beachy decoration in your home. This is a very beginner friendly kit that comes with a free video tutorial, and the kit's gonna come with everything you need to make 2 of these little sandpipers right here. All you'll need are basic needle felting tools and some wood to mount them on.
This is Beachy Gnome. This is a needle felting kit for beginners, and it comes with a free video tutorial. You'll learn how to make basic 3D shapes, how to design your own clothing, and make these sandy little beards for your gnome. This kit comes with enough wool to make 2 small gnomes or 1 larger gnome, and you also get 1 wood slice to help make your little scenery for your gnome. You'll also get seashells, cheesecloth, and it's perfect for the season, so have fun.
This is our new Beachy Viscose Pack. This is our beach-themed colorway that includes some coastal blues along with our sand and coastal colors. You'll receive half an ounce of every color, and there are 7 rich seaside colors included. You'll get white peach, mushroom, glacier, horizon, tide pool, lagoon, and teal. This is a great fiber to add that sheen and shimmer to your project, along with texture and those lovely little squiggles. So have fun and dive in.
This is our Paradise Island Specialty Designer Pack. This is a great pack for wet felting or spinning. People really love it for that. It comes with pre-felt, 5 different merino tops, some silk blends or decadence blends, some viscose, some neps, hankies, and sari silk waist, and then even some Angelina. This is a more beachy theme, and we try to keep on with that theme, but from time to time, some colors may be substituted.
Okay.
We love seeing everything you guys make. I
For
think.
sure,
Yeah.
for sure.
Always, always. But before we show you any more, I've got another prize.
Hi, Dance.
Donna Willis says, my biggest challenge is deciding which project to do first. So many ideas inspired by watching Woolly Wednesday.
Oh.
My first wet felting project was making a vest to fit me. Wow, that's very ambitious. I love that. I
Yeah,
love
that's
that.
awesome.
Well, we've got some more inspiration and great ideas for you now.
Our first love bomb is from Jessica Lurker Cavalier. This piece is titled Hello Summer. She says, she's challenging myself to create the surface of a pool with wool and viscose. The pool is wet felted with viscose fibers, needle felted on top for some shine. Beach ball is all needle felted. Bring on summer.
Holy moly.
I know, right?
This is beautiful.
I think that ball alone is just a work of art. Like you believe it's a 3D.
Yeah, it really does like pop off the surface. I think
It
wet
does.
Yeah.
felting and then needle felting is such a beautiful process. Like it definitely separates the two, but congeals them at the same time.
Yeah, her highlighting just the the color gradations.
Yeah.
You really believe that's a beach ball.
And then the water is also just like so amazing and it looks very real.
Yeah.
I want to see you do more things in pools. Like, this is so cool.
Beautiful, Jessica. Thank you so much. That is definitely an inspiring piece.
For our MC1 in action this week, we have a piece from Donna Miller, and she says, "This is my needle-felted salty sailor with his sweet seal buddy. He was a fun challenge and sold so quickly at my sales booth, with 2 people in line for the next ones.
Oh.
Mostly Living Felt fiber with my favorite MC1 Pale Peach for his face and hands."
Oh, man. You know, he's so darling.
He's so cute. Look at his hat.
I know. We were just talking about tiny knitting, right? Like, look what you can do if you can knit tiny.
What a fun idea to come up with, the idea of a sailor. I really don't think I've ever seen anyone do that before.
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, on this, like, seashell coast. Like,
yeah.
Oh, he is precious.
And we can't forget about his little friend.
Right, the seal friend. He looks so happy.
His eyebrows.
And they look like she used glass eyes. I'm not sure, but they look like the little blue glass eyes inserted. Just perfect. Donna, he is a little treasure.
Yeah.
Him and his buddy.
So cute. A few weeks ago, we sent out a challenge to you guys to send us some inspiration pictures for us to turn into art bats.
And today we're announcing the winner. And our winner is Linda Repkin. Yay! And she has this beautiful, vibrant flower that we all fell in love with.
The team had such a great time looking at all of the submitted images, but we could only pick one for this round. And this beautiful flower, they had such a great time picking out all the fibers to go with it. So their challenge was primarily wool and then adding the embellishment fibers. And as promised, we carded those up on our manual carders this time. The team had a great afternoon putting these together. And Linda is going to win an Art Bat, and also our live chat winner from today will also win an Art Bat. So you can use these in your wet felting projects specifically. Ideally, if you needle felt them, you'll probably want to wet felt them down also. But it was so fun for us, and we do have more images that I'm sure we're going to continue looking through, and there will probably be more challenges later on as well. So thank you to everybody who participated, and congratulations, Linda! Hey y'all, I just wanted to pop in here with a shameless plug for this class by Laura Ricks. This is in our school, Felting Tutorials, and I want you to just go there and look at the creations that people have made from this class. Laura is going to walk you through how to create this beautiful landscape that she calls Breakwater Beach. She will show you how to lay out the fibers so easily. She makes this so approachable. Tack it down with needle felting, and then she's going to show you how to wet felt it to create what is really a masterpiece. You're going to learn how to do the waves, the wet sand, the water crashing on the sand, and these clouds. So check out Breakwater Beach in the School, feltingtutorials.com. It's so fun hanging out with y'all. And before we go, we've just been having so much fun with this beach idea. I love that Julia brought up the concept that all beaches are so different. They're so different. Yeah. So we would love to hear about your favorite beach. Then we can Google it and visit. So let us know about a favorite beach that you've visited so that we can check it out too. Yeah.
If you like carding, we've got a great video for you here.
Mm-hmm. And for the projects we shared, check the links down below.
That's all for this time, y'all. Be well. Take care. Bye. Bye.